Well, if you don't tag appropriately, how do you know that in a public cloud scenario? How do you know that these servers are tagged to this application, are tagged to this region, are tagged to this user, so to speak, user group? And so all those are literally just data fields, a bunch of different fields that are available to help clarify what the application is, what the server is, what the region is. Is it a production region? Is it a lower region, testing region for the businesses? You can define it in multiple different levels. And what you can use this information for is this goes back to ultimately, how do you decide how much a current application costs you? If it's in a private cloud, you know what servers it runs on, how much storage it's using. You might have a cost, an overall allocation cost for the data center itself. And then you can figure out, okay, these number of servers and this number of storage, and we give a certain allocation to the data center. This application costs us X number of dollars a year to run. And then you obviously figure out the vendor costs and all that type of stuff as well. So you've got to come up with all those standards at a time that this application tag should be this across the board. And that's where the governance comes in. And then once you start doing that, then when you start getting your data, you could start actually going back to your leadership and saying, hey, not just your leadership, but your business. Your application that you use for your business function costs this much to run.